Hello guys, I saw you guys asking for a hair tutorial on my last video and I did this on 4-day-old hair. So if you guys want to learn my tips and tricks on getting hair like this, then please keep watching. I definitely am due for a washing. I'll show you how I could still make this hair look good. First I'm going to go in with a dry shampoo just on the roots. Of course, as soon as I start filming this video, my power goes out. I want to do a hair tutorial and I had to find a plug that was attached to my generator. So we're sitting in my room today. You guys love that I rhinestone my Dyson. I'm gonna just go over the front parts of my hair. When I filmed my last video, you guys were all asking for a hair tutorial. That was fresh on day 1 of hair. So I had showered at night. I let it air dry overnight and then I went in to just kind of smooth it out a little bit with the blow dryer. Since my hair's lighter now, I'm trying to let it air dry a little bit more than normal. Less heat, the better. Bio Ionic. I believe it's 1.25 inches, but I will double check. And I'm gonna section off. So my last hair tutorial, that's how I was doing my hair ever since I cut it with layers. But when I was away in Paris, my hair just didn't stay the same. So I tried this method, which is the way I used to curl my hair, and I feel like it looked better and it lasted longer. So we're gonna take the iron and I'm just gonna curl the hair like that, like big pieces. I like to hold it until I feel the heat coming through the hair. And then without letting it go, I'm gonna keep it curled. I'm just gonna pin it like that. Again. And we're gonna repeat the same thing. You're not wearing pants?
No.
Can you say hi to my friends? What are you doing?
Hi.
Love you. So I always part it in the middle. And we're curling it away. And I definitely burned some hair off that's been highlighted, so you gotta just be careful. Not too long. Curl it away. So I'm gonna take the Ouai soft hairspray. I've literally had this for so long. I just found it. I just like a light hold, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and I'll be back to show you how I style it. Okay, we're done. Just kidding. So I'm gonna spray it one more time with the soft hairspray. Then we're gonna brush the curls. Look at the difference. And then what I like to use, since I've gone lighter, I used to just use like a texture spray, but I feel like because my hair isn't as shiny as it was when it was all one color, like the darkness, I found this Ouai Wave and Shine spray, and I definitely need a new one because it doesn't work properly, but I like that it's like the wave spray, like texture spray, plus adding some shine, because girl, we need some extra shine with this bleached hair, guys. And then look at that. So I always part it in the middle and then I'll like flip it around, but like, see, if I go like this, it's not as good. For some reason, this side of my hair, it just works better for like a flip. So this is exactly how I had it. And this is on like 4-day-old hair. Look at that. And I like the soft spray because it keeps it super bouncy and like soft. I always like to just kind of like fluff up my hair throughout the night, and if you use too hard of a hairspray, it gets like a weird texture, at least for me. That is how we get this hair right here. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you want more hair tutorials, let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.